What if waste was not a burden but a resource? Globally, the world generates over 2.24 billion tons of municipal solid waste per year, and this is projected to increase to 3.88 billion tons by 2050. In India alone, more than 62 million tons of waste is generated annually, and nearly 75% remains untreated. Improper waste disposal leads to groundwater contamination, methane emission, and severe public health risk. Waste to Energy, or WTE, offers a technological solution that converts waste into electricity, heat, or fuel, reducing landfill dependency while generating power. What is waste to energy? Waste to energy refers to technologies that convert non-renewable waste materials into usable forms of energy. The major methods include incineration, anaerobic digestion, gasification, pyrolysis, landfill gas recovery. These technologies not only reduce waste volume by up to 90% but also recover valuable energy from materials that would otherwise decompose and release methane, a greenhouse gas 28 times more potent than CO2. Incineration technology. Incineration is the most widely used waste-to-energy technology. Waste is burnt at temperature above 850 degrees Celsius, generating steam that drives a turbine connected to a generator. A typical modern WTE plant has electrical efficiency of 20 to 30%, energy recovery efficiency up to 80% in combined heat and power systems, emission control system including scrubbers, electrostatic precipitators, and bag filters. For example, the Timparpuram Okla waste-to-energy plant processes around 2,000 tons of waste per day and generates approximately 23 MV of electricity. Globally, countries like Sweden import waste to fuel their energy plants, demonstrating circular economic success. Anaerobic digestion. Anaerobic digestion is a biological process where microorganisms break down organic waste in the absence of oxygen. It produces biogas 50 to 65% methane, digestate used as organic fertilizer. This technology is ideal for food waste, agriculture waste, sewage sludge. In India, the Indore Bio-CNG plant converts municipal wet waste into Bio-CNG, generates nearly 70,000 kg of gas per day, which fuels city buses. Anaerobic digestion has conversion efficiency of about 60 to 70% for methane production from organic content, gasification, and pyrolysis. Advanced thermal technologies like gasification and pyrolysis operates at high temperature with limited or no oxygen. Gasification converts waste into syngas, CO plus H2. Pyrolysis produces bio-oil, char, and gas. Plasma gasification operating above 3000 degrees Celsius can reduce waste into versified slag and clean syngas. These technologies offer higher energy efficiency up to 35 to 40% electrical efficiency, lower emissions compared to traditional incineration, better recovery of metals and byproducts. However, capital cost remains high, limiting widespread adoption in developing nations. Waste to energy significantly reduces landfill volume and methane emissions. Modern plants follow strict emission norms. Particulate matter less than 30 mg NO According to the International Energy Agency, WTE avoids approximately 1 ton of CO2 equivalent per ton of waste produced when compared to landfill disposal. However, improper segregation and outdated plants can cause air pollution, making technology and regulation critical. The future of waste to energy lies in innovation and smart integration. AI-based waste segregation systems improve combustion efficiency. Carbon capture and storage can reduce CO2 emission by up to 90%. Integration with hydrogen production through syngas gas reforming. Smart cities using IoT-enabled bins for optimized collection. Researchers are also exploring waste to hydrogen systems by electrochemical conversions, modular decentralized micro WTE plants. By 2030, the global waste-to-energy market is projected to exceed $50 billion, driven by urbanization and sustainability goals. Despite its advantage, waste-to-energy face challenges: higher capital cost, public opposition due to emission concerns, need for proper wastage segregation. High moisture content in India waste reduces calorific value. The average calorific value of Indian municipal waste is 1500 to 20,000. This affects combustion efficiency and plant performance. Waste to energy is not a complete replacement for recycling or reduction, but a complementary solution. It supports circular economy, sustainable urban management, renewable energy generation. For developing countries like India, integrating advanced WTE technologies with strict environmental monitoring can transform waste from an environmental liability into an energy asset. The future of sustainability lies not in eliminating waste entirely, but in learning how to convert it into powers.